Okay, so you gotta take off this guy. Oh, this one. So we're installing the CCV Reroute Kit. You gotta take out your air box. This is the piece you have to remove. It's got 4 8mm bolts. And remove this one hose clamp. Whole thing lifts off. So the kit includes the new block and 4 bolts. It does not come with a gasket, so you have to reuse your gasket off your original housing. So 5mm Allens. We recommend a ball head Allen when reinstalling, because the placement of the fitting is kind of weird. It does not come pretty simple. You gotta put all this together. And reattach the hose disconnected first, or last. Reuse the spring clamp. Spring clamp on that. Add your hose. So the fitting, kind of pain about to get on, takes a little bit of motivation. Gotta push the one harness out of the way to get it on, but once you get it on, it goes pretty smooth. You just wrap your hose basically out and down. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Takes like 15 minutes to just put everything back in reverse order.